Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I will talk about the Dymension coin, which is 100% 2.89% right now in last 24 hour increasing, and absolutely it was totally an uptrend. Okay, so I will tell you the next price target, but remember, if you are new my channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and join for future trading our signal group. You will be print money like machine, my brother. So link is in the description, must join. Okay, guys, if we look this time, market is totally in uptrend. That's why, my brother, it was also on fire. But one thing I want to add here, my brother, I will give you, my brothers, 10 to 15 signals on Telegram. So therefore I strongly recommend you to join our Telegram group. You will be print money like machine. This is, I give you guarantee. Okay, and if you lose one set, definitely leave the group, but one time must try. So I hope you will be print money like machine. Okay, Dimension, you can see here, if I show you the volume and market cap, definitely you will be clearly understand to what is going on and what we will expect especially. So here, as you can see here, the market cap, the volume is 51.07%. You can see here, my brother, decreasing. So that's why I expecting when volume was decreasing, then market cap was decreasing, and when market cap was increasing, then price. So therefore I think the crash was confirmed. I think it will be gonna crash. If volume changes, I will see, I will give you a call, no problem. But right now I strongly recommend you, my brothers, to if you are on long side, close your position. Thanks for watching everyone. Join Telegram, go for future trading signals. See you next time.